So now we will start 4.4. We will do up to first question in this. Okay. Now the first question is, set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. So what do you mean by set up equation? You have to write the equation. You have to write an equation and solve them. Means you have to find the value of unknown variable. Okay. So you need to write the equation and find the value of unknown variable. Okay. So first one is add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Add 4 means 4 plus 8 times a number, so that number we took as x. 8 times a number, 8 into number. Number we have taken it as x. Add 4 to 8 times a number, 2x. 4 plus 8x, you get 60. So is equal to 60. Okay. 4 plus 8x is equal to 60. So then what we have to do? We have to take this 4 to the right hand side first step, isn't it? And what is the sign of 4? Because there is nothing before it, it means that the sign of 4 is plus. Okay. So when you take it to the right hand side, it becomes 60 minus 4. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 60 minus 4. What is 60 minus 4? It is 56. 8x is equal to 56. And what is the second step? What 8 is doing here? 8 is multiplying x. 8x means 8 is multiplying x. So when you take it to the right hand side, what it has to do? It has to divide 56. So 56 upon 8. So 8 is in the numerator on the left hand side. So right hand side when we take it, it has to be written in the denominator. So 56 upon 8. And clearly 8 goes 56 7 times. So cancels 7 times. 8 sevens are 56. So x equal to 7 is an answer. Okay. Now let me take up C question. If I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of a number, so what do I have to write? 3/4 of a number. 3 upon 4. 3/4 means 3 upon 4. 3/4 means 3 upon 4 of a number. Of a number means you have to multiply it. Take the number as x. 3/4 of a number x and add 3 to it. Add 3 to it plus 3. I get 21. I get 21. If I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of x and add 3 to it plus 3, I get 21. So is equal to 21. Okay. So then how do you solve it? You take plus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. Plus 3, first step you will take to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. So 21 minus 3. 3 upon 4 into x, what is 21 minus 3? It is 18. 3 upon 4x is equal to 18. Now what is the other step? 3 by 4 is multiplying x. 3 by 4 is multiplying x. So 3 by 4 should be taken to the right hand side. So when you take 3 by 4 to the right hand side, it becomes 4 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 4. So 18 into, write the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 upon 3. Okay. So 18 into 4 upon 3. So clearly 18 is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. So both of them cancel each other. 18 is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. So 3 6 are 18. You can cancel them. When you have any number in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel them. So 3 6 are 18. So 6 times it goes in 18. 6 4s are 24 because 6 is in the numerator and 1 is in the denominator. So 6 4s are 24 upon 1. So x is equal to 24 is an answer. Okay. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. So he subtracts thrice the number of notebooks. Matlab 3 times the notebooks. And number of notebooks we have to take it as x. 3 times the notebooks. 3 times the number of notebooks you will take it as x. 3 times x. He has from 50. So 50 minus 3 into x. He finds the answer to be 8. He finds the result to be 8. So 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now let us solve this equation. How do you solve? You will take plus 50. This is plus 50, isn't it? Because there is nothing before it. It is plus 50. When it goes to the right hand side, what happens? It becomes minus 50. 8 minus 50. And what is left on the left hand side? It is minus 3x. Because 50 has gone. So minus 3x is left on the left hand side. So minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 50. 8 minus 50 means plus 8 minus 50. Plus minus, you have to subtract. So plus minus, subtract 50 minus 8 is 42. And what is the sign you have to write? The bigger number sign. What is the sign of the bigger number? Minus. So minus 42. So we have subtracted because it is one is plus and the other is minus. One is plus and the other one is minus. So we have subtracted and then we wrote negative sign because 50 has got negative sign. So the bigger number has got negative sign. So you will allot negative sign to the subtraction. Subtraction is 42. Allot negative sign to the value. So minus 42. So minus 3x is equal to minus 42. So what is the next step? This minus 3, what is it doing with x? Minus 3 is doing multiplication with x. Minus 3 times x. So minus 3 is multiplying x. So when it goes to the right hand side, it has to be written in the denominator. Okay. So minus 3 into x is equal to minus 42. So when it goes to the right hand side, it has to be written in the denominator. So minus 42 upon minus 3. Okay. Now minus minus plus, it's almost like minus into minus plus. Division also, you will have the same rule as multiplication. So minus and minus get cancel each other. 42 upon 3. 42 upon 3. 3 cancels in 42. 3 ones are 3. So 1 is left. 12, it becomes 12. 3 fours are 12. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 1 is left. 1, 2, 12. 3 fours are 12. So 14. 3 ones are 3, 1. And minus minus cancels each other when you go to division. Okay, so 14 upon 1, x is equal to 14 is an answer. Okay. Now let us go to next question. Unword things of a number. So you take the number as x, isn't it? Unword things of a number. Take the number as x. If it takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, if it takes away 7, that means minus 7 from 5 by 2, matlab 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 of x, number you take it as x, 5 by 2 of x takes away 7 minus 7, the result is 23. So is equal to 23. Okay, let me repeat. Unword things of a number. So number is x. If it takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, if it takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So 5 by 2 x minus 7, the result is 23, is equal to 23. So what shall we do? First step, you take minus 7 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 7. So if it minus 7 goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. Okay. And 5 by 2 into x is left on the left hand side. 5 by 2 into x. But 5 by 2, what is it doing with x? It is multiplying. 5 by 2 is multiplying with x. So right hand side it has to divide. 30 upon 5 by 2. So For this, what will you do? You just write the reciprocal. 30 into reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Change the numerator, change the denominator. Interchange numerator and denominator. 2 upon 5. Interchange numerator and denominator on the right hand side by writing into. So 30 into 2 by 5. So can 30 is in the denominator, 30 is in the numerator, 5 is in the denominator, 30 is in the numerator, 5 is in the denominator. So 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30. You can cancel these two numbers because one is in the numerator and one is in the denominator. So 5 6 are 30. 6 into 2 is left in the numerator and 1 is left in the denominator. So 6 2s are 12 upon 1. So x is equal to 12. Okay, x equal to 12 is an answer.